5 great big toms. 6, 7. They're out on the other field too.
It didn't come on.
And about 1,000 friggin' hens.
Why didn't it come on?
Just made it to the pond. We're gonna walk down the trail, see how far it is. There's 2 trails to get into it. All right, meet you when we get there. Well, here we go. We just got out here. I just had one little cast out. I just caught this nice little brook trout. I see you guys caught it, so I went and got myself a net. Ooh, come here, bud. Oh. There we go. Nice. Probably really nice. Whoop. Yeah, went in my hand. Probably 10, 12-inch native brook trout. Beautiful. All right. Here we go. Got another one. Hey, there we go. Little native brookie on the Royal Wolf. Right back in. Oh, wow, that's a nice brookie. Woo! Oh, oh, that was a nice one. There's a brook trout right there. I just see it come after my thing. Oh, there it is. Watched him grab it. Nice, beautiful male. Woohoo! Look at the colors on that guy. Oh, beauty. Come on, come here. Man, that's a nice male. Ooh, I got a little tangle there, bud. Just absolutely gorgeous, super thin, but I mean, beautiful, beautiful brook trout. A giant. Hey. Yeah, I got a big one, big. Look. I got a big one. Woo! That's a nice brookie. That's a big male brook trout. Oh, and he's hooked right in the lip. Oh, don't come off, bud. Don't come off. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, I caught. Oh, oh my word, that's a big one. Oh, look at the size of that brook trout. Oh, oh my word. Oh my word, that's a huge, and just like that. It's only caught, oh, it's just caught up around that. Oh, look at the size of that brook trout. Dad, hey. It's like 16 inches. Oh my word, that's a beauty. That's a gorgeous brook trout. Whew. Whew. Oh my word, okay. He's coming home with me. Oh. Ooh, there's a nice one. There's a nice one. Whoop. Nice little male. There we go. Another beautiful native brook trout. Man, I'm still all wound up about that other one I caught. And he's just gonna go right back in. Not if he's hooked in the butt. Now he's going back in. Ooh, that's another nice one. Another big one. Ooh, that is another nice one. I got a double. I got a double on. Woohoo, look at that. Oh, man, I thought that was big. Oh, come on. Oh, they ate a little brook trout. Oh, this might be a mess right here. Oh, come on. I got him. 2 for 1. Look at that. Okay. We'll get that second one's actually not a bad one. It's probably 13 inches. This first one's just a little, 10-incher. Nice, beautiful, beautiful, golden. And this one right here, ooh, he was not hooked good. But man, he's a little bit fatter. Come on. I mean, just some gorgeous trout. Beautiful. All right, he's going right back where he belongs. I caught some more males on it. Got one. Right there. Cast behind you. They're up in a little bit shallower of water. That's a nice brook trout. It's a beautiful brook trout right there, actually. We're gonna... Ooh. I ain't even but barely touching him. All right. Nice. Nice brook trout right there. Right back in. Ooh, I got one. I got a nice one. Woo! And another one right there with it.
I let mine fight that other one because it was fighting, making it wiggle.
There we go. Nice brook trout. Yeah. Ooh, got him. Guess what he ate? Royal wolf. He ate that royal wolf. I use these. Get right down in there. There. Beautiful little brook trout. Going right back in. Ooh. He's got one on. I got one right there. Oh, I got one right behind it. There's one right behind it. It won't. It friggin' spooked. Ugh. That one's on the Royal Wolf again. That Royal Wolf is friggin' killing it today. Let me get that out of there. Little. Right there, nice beauty. Alright. No, I just wonder if there's a reason. Ooh, ooh. That might be okay. I might have friggin' set. Maybe not as good as I thought it was.
Is it over 8?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, he's all caught up. What'd you do here, guy? Come on. Oh, you. Now you're all caught up, mad at me.
Maybe it's just not as good as it was. Doesn't matter. The fish are a lot better.
There we go. Another beautiful, beautiful brook trout. We'll get that.
Yours is definitely the biggest one I've ever in my life seen caught on.
Fly out of there. Throw him right back up in. Ooh, that's a nice one. Hey, I got a double. I got a double on. Yep. Yep, I got a double. Oh, man, they're fighting together. Oh, one came off. But still, that's a nice... Oh, it broke me off. No, it didn't. Oh, don't get hooked. Right there, nice beauty. What a blessing to be able to come up. Oh, it broke my friggin' fly.
Did it?
Oh! Come on. You're all wrapped up. How the heck did you do that? Okay, nice beauty. Beauty. Now, if I can actually hook them is a question. Ooh, there we go. You might be mad at me, Dad. Right there, one just jumped. No, no. You're gonna be mad what I just did. I was making fun of you. I might have foul hooked it. Huh?
My little school went away. My little school was
Ooh, he barely hooked either. Is it? Ooh, ooh, uh-oh. Hey, that actually might be a nice one. No, no. Hey. And I'm only catching him on my friggin' Royal Wolf.
Really?
Yeah. I was killing him on the friggin' shoe special. You okay?
The fish got hooked.
Nice one. You good? Took me a little bit, but there. There we go. Whew. Oh. All right. Get him right off that hook. How did you do that? Throw him right back in. At the new spot. Nice, nice brook trout. It's okay. Come here, bud. There we go. All right, all right. There we go. Just like that. Unwrap him. Right back in. That one got on our little custom fly we made. What are we gonna call that fly we made?
Backup special.
Backup Bob, maybe. Right there, nice, beautiful, little healthy brook trout.
Yeah, you're catching them pretty shallow, aren't you?
Here we go. Cast after I just had to re-rig my whole thing. I got one on the old backup special. Here we go. They're not huge, but sure are fun to catch.